Welcome to Study Quick. Today's question is, A and B are on the same parallel of latitude. Distance, 848 nautical miles. The longitude of A is 5 degrees east. D long involved is 20 degrees. B is due west of A. Find A, the great circle bearing of A from B in the northern hemisphere. B, the great circle bearing of B from A in the northern hemisphere. C, the longitude of B. And D, the latitude of A. Let us solve this step by step. First, both A and B are on the same parallel, so they have the same latitude. The distance between them is 848 nautical miles. Difference in longitude equals 20 degrees. Each degree of longitude equals 60 nautical miles at the equator. Total difference in longitude in minutes equals 20 times 60, which equals 1200 minutes. Departure formula: departure equals difference in longitude in minutes divided by cosine of latitude. So, cosine of latitude equals 848 divided by 1200. Cosine of latitude equals 0.7067. Latitude equals cosine inverse of 0.7067, which equals 45 degrees. So, latitude of A equals 45 degrees north. Next, we find longitude of B. Since B is due west of A, longitude of B equals longitude of A minus D long. Longitude of B equals 5 degrees east minus 20 degrees equals 15 degrees west. Now, we find the initial great circle bearings. The formula is cos angle equals cosine inverse of sine D long divided by cosine latitude. Sine 20 degrees equals 0.3420. Cosine 45 degrees equals 0.7071. Sine 20 degrees divided by cosine 45 degrees equals 0.2425. Cosine inverse of 0.2425 equals 76 degrees. Initial bearing from B to A in northern hemisphere equals 90 degrees plus 76 degrees equals 166 degrees. Initial bearing from A to B in northern hemisphere equals 270 degrees minus 76 degrees equals 194 degrees. Summary: great circle bearing of A from B is 194 degrees. Great circle bearing of B from A is 166 degrees. Longitude of B is 15 degrees west. Latitude of A is 45 degrees north.